Hello everyone, welcome back to the Jasper Reports full course. In the previous video, we learned how to convert a Jasper report into a PDF file using Java. Now, in today's video, we will learn how to preview a Jasper report before printing it. We will use the same code from the PDF video and we will add preview functionality using JasperViewer. So, let's get started. Okay friends, as you can see in the previous video, we written this simple code. This can establish the connection between Java application and MySQL database and also generate PDF file from the Jasper reports. Here is no problem. Today what we want to do, we want to preview Jasper reports. Okay, here we want to write new code. Simple. First, we want to create object from the Jasper viewer. Simple. We have Jasper viewer. For example, viewer equals, let's initialize that with new JasperViewer, and here we want to use this overloaded version which accepts Jasper print and boolean is exit on close. We want to use that. Here we want to pass this Jasper print because we want to print preview this one, and we want to pass, instead of true value, false value. Okay, the false value means the application will not close when the preview window is closed. And instead of that, you can pass true value also. But in that case, when you close the print preview window, it can close the entire application as well. So thereafter, let's open this viewer in maximized state. Simple. We have viewer dot set extended state, and here we want to use jframe dot maximized both. Okay, after that, let's show the form which is print preview form. Simple. Viewer dot set visible true. Okay, so everything is good and everything is finished. Thereafter, let's run the application to see the result. Okay friends, we have JasperViewer, and here we have different options are available. You can save the file as a PDF file, and you can print the file directly from that option also. There is no problem. Thereafter, we have next and previous buttons. There is no problem. We have maximized and minimized buttons. Okay, today we learned how to preview Jasper reports using JasperViewer in Java. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next video.